So, welcome you all for a new session, design thinking based, that is DT based approach for a nuclear power plant. So, we know that growing population, industries, and growing energy demand, which needs more energy. Our energy production, particularly more than 40% depends on coal, which creates a lot of pollution and coal demand all over the world. But coal is very limited and it is also not a renewable one. So our government or most of the government are ready to go for non-renewable energy like solar, wind. In addition to that, they are also ready to build more nuclear power plants. In India, we have more than 21 power plants, particularly in Tamil Nadu, in Kudangalam, Kalpakkam, we have power plants. Before initiating this power plant, there will be a lot of opposition from the public and NGOs because it creates nuclear pollution and any blast or any accident, if it happens, it will demolish the entire community and its pollution long last for generation to generation. So we can now deal this nuclear power plant, how it can be created and what are the things we have to do for that by a DT approach with the steps involved in teaching. And can anyone start with empathy?
Sir, starting with, we discuss about empathy, sir. Empathy is understanding the feelings of the users. In this problem, users are the resident peoples are living near the nuclear power plant, sir. First, not assuming about the problem, asking the concerns from the residents, sir. First, asking interviews with the residents and making town hall meetings and talking with the officials or near the places that having nuclear power plants. Main goals for this because the radiations leaking some of the chemicals, it may cause major problems. Fukushima, a place, had a radiation disaster now, sir. Next, applying protocols to reduce this.
Okay. Then
Let's discuss about the defense, sir. Residents near the nuclear facilities lack of trust about the nucleus and they do not understand about the merits of that. Due to some social medias, they only know about the demerits of this. You already said coal has a reduced amount, so they does not focus on that particular concern. They can only focus on misunderstanding. Despite of having modern securities and strict regulations, they don't know about that. That's the main reason for this problem.
next.
Let's discuss about idea. The solutions of this nuclear power plant. Making a proper app in mobiles which makes the safety for using the persons in nuclear plant and making ID for college students, students in schools and employees in the work-based companies.
To understand the process and to understand the safetiness.
By making this ID, they will be able to understand the problems and solutions. And creating a new nuclear plant will make more employees and able to learn more electricity or some powers.
We get more power and it creates more employment opportunities.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Okay.
From the idea, we can assume the prototype like we can interact with the experts and learn about the nuclear power plant and daily reports about the power plant, what's working in it, and we can interact with the AIs and know about the nuclear power plant. Interacting with the experts, can
Understanding the new technologies which is happening in the development. Yes.
To as it shows, as it says, the prototype should be given to the nearby families of the nuclear power plant so that they can get some relief from the stress they are carrying to understand what the condition of the power plant is. So the nuclear nearby is a web app which used to
monitor the live activities in the nuclear power plant, which shows the condition of the power plant, and it shows the process which power plant is going through. And if any leakage is there, before it leaks from to all over there, it will inform the all the families, so that this app is very useful. And more than 80% of the peoples around the areas are being very peaceful by this.
So you're saying that providing an app which should,
Give them
hold the holistic approach and the family or peoples around the plant should be aware of and should be knowledgeable about the process and things.
so they can be somewhat peaceful and less.
Okay, it's a nice discussion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.